Hi, good evening. How's it going? Today I'm a bit late. What I mean, the time I'm recording is later than usual because today I had to do overtime and the time when I left my office is around 10 p.m. Yeah, usually I do overtime, but today is kind of special day. What I mean is very late. Alright, today I want to talk about how to describe technical term. Let me walk you through what I try to say. Now I'm having my intern and I'm working together. I'm really having a good time with work. However, she's really smart. When I say please do it, then I give her several assignments. Then she finish it very quickly, and also she hand some materials to me. That materials describes very simple and precisely how she work and um how her how can I say what she done. That describes very clearly what she done. Yeah, right. And also evening time, we usually discuss her progress and algorithms she's facing or trying to implement. And recently, this algorithm is totally new to me as well. And also, I'm unfamiliar with technical term which is used for algorithms. So today she told me was just a moment morphological morphological just what? Yeah, morphological cleanup and connected component filter. At first, I'd like to describe what she's trying to do. We are having PCB design imported by Gerber data. And now the AI boom is happening and there are a lot of electronic devices such as smartphones, PCs, and tablets and stuff like that. And these things are very small, so we have to pack a lot of things into this small size. Then the electric circuit board is becoming precise, finer, high performance, high density. So that's why even though the board size is small, the data which describe the electric board precisely is getting huge and significant. So that's why if we store the specific data precisely on the memory overflow will definitely happen. Then what should we do? So one of the idea is controlling the geometric shapes. Then without losing core geometric structure. We can store these geometric shapes on the memory correctly. That's why I asked her to implementing controlling algorithms to reduce the storing size, right? And then using OpenCV, she make it happen, right? That is really awesome. And then she told me these two algorithms, meta, morphological cleanup and connected components filter. What it is, this is lead to eliminating noise data. So see, there are several noise in Gerber data. Then after importing, we if we just apply controlling algorithms, then the controlling of this noise is also generated. This is a problem. So that's why to reduce no to avoid this situation, noise handling is paramount. So she's suggesting these using these algorithms. So this evening, I've studied this concept. It's very confusing and difficult. So we have to specify the parameter like such as threshold. So which decide the noise. What I mean is this is a noise. This is not noise. How to decide it? This is decided by threshold or parameter are powered by no. These are used for um, para morphological cleanup and connected components filter. So now my major concern and my hurdle is to describe these concepts and understand and listen what she's saying. Alright, thank you for listening today. Good night.